Hey, welcome to my video. I'll show you how to get EIN in 5 minutes. Also, if you're interested to save on taxes or any kind of accounting, bookkeeping, tax related stuff, please subscribe to my videos. So first of all, I start with what is EIN. EIN is a number similar to Social Security, so it's a tax identification number for your business. Why do you need EIN? So basically, if you're planning to hire employees and paying wages, you need EIN. Also, if you want to separate your personal and business, you also need EIN, because when you get EIN, you can apply for a business bank account, business credit cards, so you can separate loans. Your business can have like credit cards and loans, so you don't have to be responsible personal for all of those things, and you can use your business credit instead of your personal credit. So now let me show you how to get it. I'm gonna switch to my computer right now so you can see my screen. It will take like a couple minutes, it's free, so let's start. So first thing first, it's when you Google get EIN, be careful with all these websites. Like you see it's advertised, and what you wanna find, you wanna go to the first not advertised website. So irs.gov, it's official website for IRS. And when you open it, that's pretty much the one you want to go. That's official. All this stuff is advertisement, and everything after it, it's probably something to do with advertisement as well. So EIN number should be free. You shouldn't pay for it, and it takes like a couple of minutes to get it. First of all, we went to IRS website. And here, if you business and you want to apply for EIN, here's, apologize for it, here's employer ID, EIN, like all the information they have. So after you open it, it tells you, it has like all this basic information, like why do you need EIN, how to reply and things like that. So if you want to apply for EIN, you press here, apply for EIN online. And then it pretty much tells you the information. So businesses located in the United States needs EIN. You need like your personal social security, ETIN, which is international tax identification number to get EIN. So you just go here, apply online. And the next step would be begin application. It will ask you what type of legal structure you're applying. So for example, if you are not LLC, you're just like you have your social security, you didn't form LLC, you choose sole proprietor. If you formed LLC with your state, which usually should be the first step, you form LLC with your state and then you get EIN. So you choose LLC. For example, I am LLC. If you're partnership, which is mean you're LLC with a couple partners, your partnership, you can be corporation, estate, or trust. Most of the people will be sole proprietors or LLCs. So let's assume we're LLC. This is pretty much tells you that you should have formed by in state first. So you should have like your article of organization with the state by now, so that's usually the first. So if you have LLC, you already have all this kind of stuff. So you press continue. How many members of LLC? So I'll choose one because I have one. If you have more than one, you put as many members as you have. State, for me it's California. Next one. So basically it tells me that I'm a single member LLC. If you have one member in your LLC, you're a single member LLC applying for EIN. And it tells you what kind of forms to file. So if you're individual and you didn't like set up your LLC separately, you just pick it up the income under Schedule C on Form 1040. So this is pretty much tells you like how to file your tax return. So I'll record a different video on this, what you actually have to do if you have LLC or if you have C Corp or S Corp. So let's go to next. This is pretty much informational. On next, it asking you why you're requesting EIN. So most of the people will have like you started a new business. So for example, or if you had a business but you decided to hire employees, so you press hired employees. If you want to get banking, so pretty much here you just choose which option right for you. So for most of the people, it will be starting a new business. So next one, you need to put your name. So I'm just gonna put something, last name, your social security. In this to apply online, you will need your social security or your EIN if you're foreigner. If you don't have one, there is another way to apply, and I'm gonna record another video how to get EIN for foreigners. But that's pretty much, so now if you have social security or EIN, this way would be the easiest. And also it's telling you like, are you managing member of LLC or whoever you are, or if you like a CPA applying for somebody, you just like put your number or something like that. So for example, I am owner or member. So after you enter your name, you have to make sure you enter a social security or EIN number, because it's not gonna let you go through another step. So it has to like kind of like check records and make sure it matches what IRS has on file. So next one would be address. So it's asking you about if you want. So here's pretty much asking you about your business address. If you want your mailing address to be different than that physical address of your business, you just press here yes, and it will ask you for enter another address. So I'm just gonna add any just to show that just to show you the next step, and phone number. And now it's asking you about your LLC number as filed. So you go back to your article of organization and make sure you match your name. Also, like it says, so you don't have to enter LLC. And if your name is different at LLC number, sometimes there's a DBA, so you have to enter it here. County, which it was created. So for example, for me, it's Los Angeles. California, and state. So pretty much LLC start date, it should be on your articles of organization. So if you open it in California, it has a stamp that says start date. Or you can go to your website, state website, and just look it up, or any information you receive from your business, it should have a start name. So next you press continue, and you should get your EIN confirmation right away. So pretty much it just asks you like, do you want it by mail or do you want to like download it? So you choose whichever copy you want, but that's pretty much couple minutes and you get your EIN. Super easy, it's free. Enjoy. Hope that was helpful, and congrats on starting your business officially. Thank you. So hopefully it was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Now you have your EIN and you can officially start your business. You can start building credit history for your business, hiring employees, and doing all these important things. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, please comment below. It's super important for me. Thank you. Bye.